Ahwefo nyina kwa ba edeba Adepa TV so enano a TB Joshua etofom anase oto nananom ewo ensiedo so no kire nsensem omo hye nkom de ene bebre kwa we enam so ema eye owusu bempa reverend ono so de ne de ababonten se eyade a ono no ohun se bibisa eba besie sanse TB Joshua eye na dwen se oba behu ono owusu bempa ewo Ghana hanum se esanse wo hu nyuma pa oye edeboa eye oman Ghana na eba sa no ono ti owusu bempa na asema ono ka ne se na waye busy inti wantimi amboa anje eye TB Joshua enkwa yentie ne okan ye wabra oni Peace FM anase OK FM etwetwe enkomo
na se na ye o se prophet ye TB Joshua ifirimu
Nyankasa Osofo TB Joshua nkata no me se dem hu no physical da na me kwent bi atakaka ana nsempim bi ba out me di rewura mu bi TB Joshua eba be ye program bi wo Ghana ha na speaker no me ka hu enti I believe that time no sorry tell me about radio I'm do met some for the frame and we can say program na TB Joshua babayen revenue so empire so speakers na ho enti ye from say nkropo baba program aso omo expected them and I'm just catch omo say nyamia ni nya crack e dia free so TB Joshua sorry you invite me to program bi how baba ya me ka no intermediate me program bi asa then say no anya TB Joshua so for no ebe enti mo so ba out e ma be dane kama me nka e ma say ye kasa wo radio no so e ma ohima bi mpo e be didi matem anya so ye TB Joshua empeni 40 enti ma me ka say sa program na TB Joshua ba be yem be kono mo nya careful because if you for every program na enti be ye sana media meno mi taso enti be ye program no ampa bibi sesi mani pa ko bi
wow
enti fi ho kono mi ofie e ma Mr. A plus Mr. A plus ya ono openi ka bi ba mi fi TB Joshua so person ne me kata ne kwa na minima de kodi am person ne me kata so mo ba fi enti openi pa ne free TB Joshua e ma me ne kata ma o ka se o person ko ba Ghana na o ba be start na o pema sempa na o hu bi na me de me ye o the internet ne Facebook ne social media ne nyamandima. That was the first time I meet TB Joshua kasa if you come in and kasa enti no so pisa me TB Joshua sema in fact
that means wama mesra no
in fact no there be
okay
in fact oka so person obesra me no na ko the time I me man no time na ba but ni me am man time no A plus ye nyina ye A plus Ghana this year Mr. A plus e no ne papa ne buy papa penny pa o Ghana ha no ne buy e no si TB to na small so mo mra maintain na die na no bi na man ka no person ba be slap no o busa penti debe no mra tantam no bi ka say mini opinion be san ka say bi na ye bu die be ye nti man say that man specific time on famra if you okono man tini ka bi nti kakra mini da TB Joshua ho no
okay
ba mi hu no physical da
enano football Chelsea fo boy omo boy a kire se enu hu ache ni je bebre ma player baako ebepiem ewo oman Ghana kire mu kire se player yi ade a yewo no ewo oman ni mu ni papa krampo no obi a no so ebobo ye pa de ma Ghana nti wo ba bepiem ewo oman mu anije mu ananano da omukopiem ewo Accra Sports Stadium wabra Accra Heart of Folk any team back when your mobile eye ball ewo honomo and a branch ekopiem na nano wasanso de nani akochirem ewo eye parliament eye nanado dankwa Akufo-Addo enchen no okopiem wo honomo no and nanado edi to eye Ghana Football Association no enim se omomomodian na omututungu eye branch yi asum no mebo ball enfama eye oman Ghana sene ebe oman Ghana so ebekon akonanim we enam so ema eye Ghana fo bi akasa ede afa hu se abrantie we ope wonkwa me join eye Ghana Black Stars esan se omuni adepa bia de ma eye oman mu yentie ne Ghana fo anase wabra eye Asempa FM fo etwetwe enkomo ewo ho yentie ne omukan ye
onim se ka such matches no ye kwa ye kunya experience bi ho etine bi before the game no esi etimi nya bibia ye koi park ewo da na ye bo house no kotoko no. This is the experience ye nya ye during the game no esi hu bibi, and even after the game na ye bo na nadwo no ye bo anadwo say no profun ki ye wi ade na de Accra Sports Stadium ye twi soroku ye de beye. I mean esi etimi nya experience it's about time ye be move from ye kwa ball keke ne ya kai only the score line. Ne ya kai referee incident bi okoye ye. It's about time I see you move from there. Ni timinya experience bi e be kai say some match we ye kohwe no e na sadie we positive ucha say no maybe
unya we no
maybe see mu.
Okay.
No, it is about life na do be see a share experience. E see nya trimuka. On say ade ye man clubs no ewo hotel hono.
Yeah, Sun Lodge Hotel.
Sun Lodge Hotel hono. Only say no.
Capacity building.
Aka clubs ni tri mama. Yeah, say Asempa FM, you know, Asempa FM. San say ye. And yes say ene ye betina ha ye ka only about score line. Ye ka only about in the ba ye ebuso. Did you make use of those in ba ye no? Clubs no, any make us from FA to clubs to NS no. I'm planning anything apart from the 3 points. Yeka only about in the ba ye ebuso. Did you make use of those in ba ye no? Clubs no, any make us from FA to clubs to NS no. I'm planning anything apart from the 3 points. Ane ye kwakwaje. Ye hwe nim se team ba ko benya asa. But say ye bibia ye nya artist bi ebe perform ye bi before the game, during the game, after the game, ye said chia boma to be 12 as ye bobi no makofia. Etine bi ukasakra na this experience no onem krofo na e share. Etino omoma ye move away from there. Na ye nya Ghana Premier League no ye nya such matches ye ntimi enya enkaye bi ewo mu. Enye nkaye se incident bi a referee bi anje ene de sesi obi a eka wasem. Prof Emsen nanso omampani Asia Chelsea for Bruni no ba Ghana ha no. Kalum Hos no doy. Emma
omampani share glass na wako ye.
On share glass na wako. On share wako.
You're week 28 of the Ghana Premier League.
On share wako. On share wako.
On share glass na wako.
David.
And in Congo business and all bobo sama Olympics. And the omampani go share.
David. O say ena the omampani actually say a branch any pay courtesy call to ne ho.
Okay.
And or Sanso share sports ministry ni say omo heno menye de omeye biama ayigas odoyi no omebo ayi.
And now memenda omoye anase na no over the weekend no mu nyina no omoye eye Sir John eye we enam so ema Ghana fo bebre aba bekasa ede afa hu se so omunim se eye COVID-19 no ewo ho protocols no omudigu akwan mu ana ye kai se omampani eka se ansa na nipa bi beye yie no anaso mbebo chenku no ma omombro nipa beye aduonum enum eye 25 na omukopie wo ho no mo de I think so mu ye 25 pe sana Ghana fo bi eka ye hwe video we embrace a ye koba nchiremu wo ho bia no masanso ede atoaso amount.
Videos from the funeral rites of a late former General Secretary of the NPP, Kojo Usefriye, has flooded social media and incurred the wrath of many. The videos show politicians and high government officials totally disregarding COVID protocols, not wearing masks, failure to observe social distancing protocols, and all of these people crammed up in one place just to send off one of their own. That has received widespread condemnation.
This is a classic example of how shameless, hypocrites our leaders are. And when you look at the videos, not even up to 10 people were wearing nose masks. Now, me say any time na pandemic na strike. And now pandemic no ya chine di na go to prison.
The Ghana Medical Association and Occupy Ghana have called for investigation and prosecution of organizers of the super spreader.
It shows that laws apply differently to different people. A politician died, and for a year we keep his body just so we could have a big event like the one that happened over the weekend for that person. This disregard for our own laws, especially by the government that made those laws, speaks to the fact that they probably made those laws for the compliance of the people like you and I, and so that attitude really is problematic. It becomes some kind of a license for chaos when the proponents of the law themselves flout, and it's disgraceful.
But it is the interesting attempt by the party to justify the flagrant breach by Deputy General Secretary of the NPP, Nana Obribwahin, that's got people cringing.
I disagree. If you fail to comply with COVID-19 protocol, the individual is answerable. This is not a situation where a group of people could be held jointly and severally liable. Yesterday, a crowd of folk played a Great Olympics. People trooped in. People even broke the gate. Why are we not also commenting about that one? The president observed the protocol. Vice did. Asiadu Ketia observed the protocol. So why do you put the blame on the New Patriotic Party and the government?
Sir John no ase na yehu se nipa alpodompem ewo ho no ma che se omo ye wa bra enano omo pe oman Ghana yi anti omo se omo ye fix the country campaign ni ade ye sizi omo se omo ntumi enye se nyuma we nyina omo bo modia akwakọ ye Sir John dia omo so omo nti ase nti Ghana Medical Association for enso kire se investigations awodo e wo se ekoso no e wo se ekoso and organizers are omo ye no omo fa omo ho enche wo mo ukopiem ewo ewusiejo eno so ewo Western Regional arahosem eni se galamsey ekoso ho no mo pa nsu asebi omo abenum akoma no nduane omo bedi nsu omo de beye nnuane no ni nyina no efri sa galamsey nsu aye potopoto yi emu na arahosem eni se eno krampo no aduane no oye no nye se oni ni fie fo nkwa na edi odekọ abonten ekokoton mamanfo to na omadi nti nsu a omo use wo ho no manase nsu omo no de yes, from your video way embraces.
The Bultre River runs through the Ahanta West municipality as well as the Mpoho and the Wasa East district in the Western region. The river is the major source of water for residents of Ewusejo, Freti, Otopo, and other communities close by. Residents say the water was clean and clear before the river was taken over by Galamsey activities.
Best 6 to 5 years now coin potun suma etumu de okwen sina woden sum dia ho nembu won sum okwen sum won de dam na mpu no dam buba hu enda din suna e bibi basa etumu num sunu.
Women and children in this community use the river water for all their domestic work. Despite the pollution from mining and washing in the river, residents drink this water without any treatment. Food vendors around here also source their water from the polluted river. Comfort Kwesi, who operates a small eatery, says she has no choice than to use the contaminated water to make food for sale.
Yes, I need the alarm near the atu.
23-year-old Innocent Mochian is unemployed and lives with his parents here. He complains about side effects whenever he uses the water from the Bultre River for bathing. He adds that he cannot afford to buy water.
Because one thing, ana ejuma bi ande na nsunu so ono ana ya no na sisa so ejuma ni Ghana ha de me ka de kumu Ghana na ejuma ni ya ejuma sam no widen.
Residents here are pleading with authorities to clamp down Galamsey activities soon in order to save their source of water, the Butre River.
The Galamsey people have polluted the water. Because of that, you can't use it to cook and bath. Sometimes when you bath and our self is engineer, so you want the Galamsey people to stop doing that so that you can use it to cook and bath.
Nese Galamsey no egusu a ekoso enyaje omujai ene ochina na arehosem bi nso a esi ewo ye Elmina mfimfim mantem ukopie mu wo hono ma ya arehosem baby a ema no eyi nam no omoton obeko no mo aboabo mu ko bi ni ade no nese eja ato hono ma enye asem ketwa yehwe video we embrasisi a
Welcome, Mr. Afi. Welcome in it. Welcome in. Oh, yeah, man. You are some way, you know, also welcome. Some. Nine. Hey.
They say eja ena ato no mo na fire service ebo modin se omu bedum no ewo ho no mo nti esisi ano de omoton enam ho no mo omo break kakra nti ukọ ho onam Elmina seashore no se okwa kope enam ato wadwem enyade ema no sisi ano omo ho no mo kosi se eye mpanifo ebeba no ma bekasa fa wo se sisi ano ye de omo kọ biaye sei ho ena omo nkonkoton eye enam no Adepa News aha ena medemu esim social video ni wi a na wa subscribe wa like wa comment na wa share edi amaye ya from Miss Ama Adepa
me didi ya nyantachua emre bia am diska be free Europe akoma busuafo wo Ghana no me use tap send no fee mobile money transfer eye easy eye convenient eye fast and sound so ye free won't ya hwe me discover ye mapim tap send Intienne also download the tap send app no ewo mobile phone so free na fesika komo abusuafo wo Ghana afa na nyina tap send papa no